Ugh, Clearwater Beach, sun, sand, sea, fun. It's our little sanctuary. You might go for the pear or the dolphins or the manatees or the sharks or maybe the sparkling turquoise waters or that gigantic setting sun. But have you seen these things? Wait a minute. Back it up. Okay, there it is. It's called Cruisin Tikis. They are basically floating tiki boats. I saw them the last time we were in Clearwater Beach. It's a tiki bar plus a boat, and it's awesome. Have you been on a tiki boat?
Tiki boat. Tiki. 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 Have you been on a tiki boat?
Check out their website, and then you can pick and choose what type of cruise you want to go on. Obviously, I was with my kids, so it's a different cruise from if I'm with a bunch of girlfriends or with my husband. You could do the sunset, the sandbar, and I recommend calling them because they're super nice and they will help you pick out the perfect cruise. And thank you to Cruisin Tikis because they found out about my channel and they comped us. So very cool. I packed lunches, which is really great for us because we have allergies, and we packed drinks, and we had our playlist ready because they have Wi-Fi and a big Yeti cooler. How's that boo-boo? And there's parking by the marina if you're driving, and there's shops, and there's also a couple of really good restaurants. One has awesome views of the marina, and one has really good veggies for me and awesome fish tacos for my daughter. It's this trip is just so nice because when I go away with my kids, I need some zen. And this gave me zen. I loved it. It was calming, it was fun, it was interesting. Just have to check it out. Loved our captain. Really great guy. He talked to the kids, he talked to us, he told us about Clearwater Beach, he told us about the animal life in the water, and then, of course, he found some dolphins for us. Oh, there he is! Look, look. And we got some really unforgettable pictures on this thing. It's really adorable. And then it even gets better because we went to the Sandbar, and that's where our captain set anchor. You see him? He put out a little ladder and helped us get out. It probably depends on the weather, but we could see the bottom very easily through the clear water. It was beautiful. Oh, this is cool. Then we splashed around in the water. We looked at the shells and the sea life. Again, our captain was really great because he knew so much about the marine life and the animals and the surrounding areas. So it was really interesting. Isn't this relaxing? You just found that out here?
It's a snail.
Oh, that's so cool.
So that's his little door he just shut.
He's alive, honey. Be gentle with it.
The little door when he's threatening to close it.
Isn't that... Oh, that hook? Oh. After splashing around in the water, we just chilled for a little bit and got to see our neighboring tiki boats and the other boats in the intercoastal area. This is actually the intercoastal area. I thought it was the Tampa Bay, but Tampa Bay is a little further up. And then it just around the corner, we go right into the Gulf. And some of us indulged in snacks and lunch and drinks. at the thatched roof bar, which is so cute. I just get such a kick out of it. I like the concept of having a bar accessible while we're splashing around in the water, while we're taking in the water views. And then you have almost a table so you can like sit and be comfy. A little different from a boat. It's really unique. We played Yacht Rock Radio from SiriusXM. You have to check that out. It's perfect for this little outing. And then we wrapped it up and cruised back to the Marina. And took in some sights and enjoyed the melodic rocking of the boat and the music. And we dried off from our little exploration. It's a good time. Check it out, Cruisin Tikis. Happy adventures.